stick it on the house.
Stick it somewhere on the house.
Make a decoration.
Best.
Wait, let's put some light on. It's got dark in here all of a sudden.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Here, put this one on too. A little more light.
I did it!
You like this?
Oh, those icicles.
Right
We're
there.
just right there.
I like orange.
Orange.
I like it.
How about on the roof? This should be like a roof somehow.
Looks good.
Or a chimney.
Mmm.
You can take these M&Ms and stick them in the frosting like lights.
Breaking a candy cane.
Like this.
You like what Daddy's doing?
What's the
Couple at a time.
Yeah, that's
Probably.
all right.
Yeah, that's alright.
You do this side, man.
I was trying to see if this could be like a chimney somehow. Or
You need some frosting?
I think it's.
Some frosted glue?
Wait, I gotta think.
Okay. I'm good.
I love white.
What's the front? Where the tree is? Are you the front, Heather?
It doesn't matter.
I think the sugar's kicking in.
Look at that rag. Don't touch the food. Oh, right there. That, yeah, that's fine.
Oh, this thing fell off.
Oh, the icicles.
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
The whole
Put that one in your mouth.
gable end of the roof fell.
Give me your hands. No, wait.
Shoddy
You can't lick your
construction.
hands like that and then put them in the food, okay?
Yes.
Oh, we don't throw everybody.
You can put M&Ms all along here. We don't throw them.
Throw them.
Do we eat them?
Ben, you're supposed to be putting them on top.
You're eating my whole house, Ben. You're eating my gingerbread house.
If I give you more,
Why is the dog getting it?
see? Like Daddy.
I should get that marshmallow gun. Where is that
You
thing?
have a marshmallow.
Who knows?
Oh my God, that'll go make a mess all over.
There's some red stuff as well.
There's what?
There's
Oh,
red
yeah,
in
red.
there, too.
Oh.
One for the house, 3 for me. One for the house, 3 for me.
What else we got?
That's wait them.
Okay.
Can I sneak tip it here? Thank you.
Yeah, coming up.
A snicket.
Don't do anything to this, Ben, okay? Hold on. Let's make a door.
Orange.
And a path
Darn it.
there. These dogs are like in heaven over here.
That looks good on the roof, Ben. Are those light bulbs?
Is this a garage?
Yes.
There's a quad in there.
What?
There's a quad in the garage.
Why?
Well, that's what you have in your garage, right? Or something. Them too.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
I don't have it. In that one garage. In that house. That's the rubber. That's a
Well,
rubber.
how do they
Do you like the quad?
cut the tip?
No.
I know.
Why don't you like it, Ben?
Guess so.
Because I
No
don't.
puncture.
Is it too loud?
Yes.
It's really not.
You join me.
Watch those fingers.
I chased him up onto the deck with it one time.
That'll do it.
Hey, your hair's falling off, buddy. What happened? Do you have too much sugar?
There's a spearmint bag.
I found you. I see you.
You know what I do? Up here. So you guys can take it all home too.
Ah. I got you.
Yeah, people have to.
Right.
Well, if you don't, it's no big deal.
No, we're not. Oh, I do.
Cool.
Put them all.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as we ask mommy, that's good.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Remember how we played the game
Get this off.
Remember how we played at the table? It's easier to play at the table, or that table.
This
You eat a
table's
lot
good
of
over
room.
here, right here.